Hey there! Welcome to the Mastering Money Moves channel. Today, we're diving into some life-changing ideas on building wealth, and our guide for this journey is none other than Naval Ravikant, a tech entrepreneur, philosopher, and investor. We'll be exploring his wisdom from the Almanac of Naval Ravikant on how to create real lasting wealth. Ready to level up your financial mindset? Let's jump right in. First things first, let's clear up a big misconception. Wealth isn't just about money. Naval tells us that true wealth is about freedom. Freedom to do what you want, when you want, with whoever you want. Money is just a tool to get there. So instead of chasing dollars, focus on building assets, things that work for you while you sleep. That could be investments, businesses, or intellectual property like books, courses, or software. Think long-term. What can you build today that will still be paying off years from now? Next, Naval emphasizes something powerful. Productize yourself. What does that mean? It means finding your unique skills and talents and turning them into something that can make money without needing your constant attention. Whether it's writing a book, creating a digital course, or launching an app, find a way to put your expertise into a product that can scale. Now, let's talk about leverage. Naval explains 3 kinds of leverage that can really boost your wealth. The first is labor, getting other people to help you. The second is capital, using money to make more money, like through investments. And the third, the real game changer, is code and media. Why? Because code like software and media like videos or blogs can be created once but used and reused infinitely. Imagine a blog post or video that generates passive income years after you made it. That's leverage working for you. Here's a golden nugget from Naval: specific knowledge. This is knowledge that's unique to you, that you gain through life experiences, passion, or natural talent. It's not something that can be easily taught or replaced. And the good news? You don't need to go to school for it. Look for what comes naturally to you, something you're so good at that people can't compete. That's where the magic happens. One of Naval's biggest points? Play long-term games. Wealth isn't built overnight. Focus on relationships, businesses, and strategies that can compound over time. Just like how investing works, money grows over time with patience. The same goes for your career or business. If you keep at it, your efforts will snowball into bigger rewards. Naval also emphasizes the power of reputation. Your reputation is a form of leverage because a good name opens doors. People will want to work with you, invest in you, and help you succeed if they trust you. So, be known for your integrity, reliability, and skill. Finally, let's talk mindset. Naval shares that how we think about opportunities, risks, and decisions matters just as much as the opportunities themselves. Build strong mental models for decision-making and problem-solving, and your wealth will grow alongside your ability to see things clearly. So there you have it. Naval Ravikant's playbook for building wealth, summarized into some key lessons. Redefine wealth as freedom, leverage your unique knowledge, take advantage of scalable products like code or media, and think long-term. Apply these principles, and you'll be well on your way to building wealth the smart way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on mastering your money and mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.